Hello there, welcome back to Selenium training. In the previous lecture, we have learned about some of the locators like ID, name, and link text. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to learn about class name. It's one of a type of locator and XPath and CSS. So let us begin. First, we need to create a simple Java project. Let us create one. Click on next, finish, and don't create. Our project has been created. Now, let's create a one class. I'll name it as class locator. All right. Our project is created. Now the first step is to invoke a Chrome browser. I will copy the code that I have used in the earlier project here. This is the location of the Chrome driver.exe. Alright, it is giving error because we haven't added any type of dependencies. So let's quickly add the dependencies. If you don't know, then refer back to my previous lectures and I have explained how you can download and add the jar files into your projects. So let's not waste time on it again. All right, hover our mouse to the element, import. You see here the uh, packages are getting imported. All right. Now in this tutorial, we need to focus on the class locator. So let's just head towards the Google and search one website, Netflix. All right. Let's copy its location. Sorry, the address, and let's just driver.get. Oh, sorry. All right. So here we want to search something. Let's inspect on this element. Here the details are getting highlighted. Data UIA, name, class, ID. In the last lecture we have seen ID and name. Now this time we are going to see class. Let's copy this class and go back to your Selenium script. Now you must be aware how we can use this. Driver dot find element by dot. This time we are using class name. All right. Now let's paste the details and we are sending the data. We are not clicking. Like suppose we want to search mission impossible. All right. Sorry. Okay. I think it's an error. All right. Now once it enters the data, we need to click on this get started. So let's click on this. Here again, you see we will be using class. Driver.find element by class name dot. This time it is a button and we'll click on it. That's great. Now let's execute the script. Oh, sorry, this is an email address. All right, but it has worked. Nonetheless, our locator has worked successfully. So if we try running it as an email address, and we will be maximizing the browser. So let's driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. You can easily remember these commands when you practice it. That's practice is the key. All right, you see we have successfully send the data using the class locator. Now let's focus on the XPath and CSS. These two are the most important ones that are used when things are complicated. We will see these in our next lecture. Thank you and stay tuned.